We got a poor, dirty, beaten microwave here. It's definitely seen its better days, that's for sure. Let me get a better view. It's pretty light, decent, average size. This is decrepit little plate in here. I don't know if that's the default. It looks like a literal plate. I mean, I don't know if that's a rotating disc. But yeah, this one has already been beaten up pretty good. Look at this. Hey, who did my job for me? What? I don't know if the camera really picks it up. Yeah, there it is. You can see it's just dented in. Hey, that's my job. I don't appreciate that. Aside from that, shouldn't be too hard. I just gotta take it down. Well, 900 watts microwave. It's time to get destroyed. Mine, I did half the work right there, didn't I? The whole thing came apart. Oh my goodness. No wonder they threw this thing away. It's a piece of junk. Somehow that crappy plate survived. Well, maybe it's the door. The door just flew off. I'll have to break it in 7. It's 9. And this is the back of the door. Back. Again, I just think it's my grade. It's like super review. I don't know if I'm impressed. Yeah, just in case. There we go. There's a line. Oh my goodness. Check this out. The whole supply right there. Well, maybe on the top side, that's pretty good. It's like I think that's like about half the size it was originally, probably. Gonna get like the other one. The original microwave fan. Yeah, I think that's the last one. Or is this about to? I've never just shaken a microwave this poorly before. Like this thing is... It's done. It's done. Number one, that's how we do it. Check this out. It doesn't resemble what it was before. Probably about half the width, half the height. The lengthwise, well, that's still pretty intact. That is because there's metal all in between. Let's see, we got the panel. And then here's everything, the power supply. Like it's just all crowded in here. West bent? More like West smashed. That was a pretty funny one. If I do say so myself. Here's the outer plate. Came off like, what, swing number 3? It was gone? What a joke. If I made money on this video, I wouldn't even have a video long enough to make money. What is it, 10 minutes? That's gotta be a world record. If that wasn't a world record, I don't know what is. Because for one man, two hammers, and a little bit of dilly-dallying in between, that's probably like 3 minutes tops. I like to see anybody beat that. And don't even send me a video of somebody beating it, because it's AI and I won't believe it.